Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making this nutritious mackerel fish. This food is a fantastic source of protein which plays a great role of maintaining different cells in our bodies. If you need a perfect source of omega-3, vitamin D and fatty acid, you should consider mackerel fish in your food plan. You may be wondering where to buy these types of fish, but you can actually find frozen ones in your local grocery store, or if you're lucky enough to live in a country where they harvest them, then you can freshly get them from the market. This is a type of fish which I enjoy cleaning a lot, even though it comes with intestines which I already removed. And as you can see, I'm currently making little cuts which will enable my spices to penetrate when I start cooking the fish. Certain types of people do not really like fish just because of how it smells like. But for me, I always use lemon juice to eliminate the odor, and it works perfectly fine. So currently I'm trying to spread lemon juice on top of my fish, and then in a few seconds I'm gonna start cleaning the fish once again. The fish is as clean as you can see it, and I'm currently adding a mixture of different spices like Royco, tomato sauce, salt, garlic powder, and oil. As you can see, I'm making sure that everything goes in well, yani ndio utamu izidi kabisa. Ha, Wakikuyu mko wapi? I hope siku hizi mnakula samaki. I'm just kidding guys, yeah. So watu wenye wapendi samaki nimewaonyesha venye, unaweza toa harufu ndo muweze kula samaki vizuri, yani muenjoy kama sisi Wajaluo, sisi wapenda samaki. To make my fish, I'll be using a grilling pan, and I'm currently spreading oil all over just to prevent the fish from sticking on the pan. This thing is a lifesaver, guys. Not only does it cook fast, but you can use it to make a variety of stuff.
Let's see which weather picture matches the day that I'm having the best.
With the twinkling of an eye, the fish is ready. When I got this barbecue griller, I immediately stopped using my deep fryer and the oven, which was consuming too much time to get this type of result. Guys, trust me, this thing is a lifesaver. It can cook fast and you can make a variety of stuff with it. So if you need the link to where I got it, just comment on the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to share with you. So we are currently done with our cooking for the day, and I'm gonna be eating this delicious fish with sukuma wiki, which is I believe it's kales, and ugali, which is a mixture of corn flour and hot water. So thank you so much guys for watching our video, and as you can see, we achieved a very perfect result, goldish color. Oh, wow, looks amazing, doesn't it? Okay, see you soon, guys. Ciao.